Noura Jackson's release this morning ends a more than decade-long legal saga, which included a second-degree murder conviction, a later overturning of that conviction, and an eventual plea deal which set today's release for the 29-year-old into motion. At 8:30 this morning in her blue prison uniform, Noura Jackson made the 75-second walk to freedom. Moments later, she changed into a new outfit. Once Jackson was officially outside the prison gates, she was greeted by her friend with a long, emotional embrace after more than a decade behind bars. Moments later, she rode off, beginning a new chapter. Jackson was 18 when her mother, Jennifer Jackson, was found murdered, stabbed at least 50 times in the bedroom of her East Memphis home. In 2009, a jury convicted Jackson of second-degree murder. But in a twist, in August 2014, the Tennessee Supreme Court overturned her conviction and ordered a new trial, an important victory at the time for Jackson's legal team.
That's what it is. She's back to being presumed innocent.
The case was entirely circumstantial. There was no physical evidence.
The state Supreme Court ruled a retrial, claiming the lead prosecutor, now District Attorney Amy Wyrick, withheld a witness statement from the defense and made this comment during closing arguments.
Just tell us where you were. That's all we're asking, Noura.
But a new trial never happened. In May 2015, Jackson's attorneys accepted a plea deal of voluntary manslaughter from prosecutors, avoiding a potentially lengthy new trial.
She could have fought for another 10 years on principle. I don't know anybody who would give up their 30s for principle.
In the deal, Jackson did not admit guilt in the death of her mother, but accepted the lesser offense.
We wanted to obtain justice for Jennifer Jackson.
Mike Donovan, a special prosecutor assigned to the case, said last year his office was happy with what the plea deal represented.
We wanted to make sure that there was an adjudication of guilt for a homicide. And that's exactly what happened here today.
Noura Jackson's attorney said their client has always maintained her innocence in the death of her mother. Her release is based on credit for time served. Brad Broders, Local 24 News.